What are you lot telling me? Nah, I'm saying I'm back again. Hope you lot enjoyed the last few videos, you know what I'm saying? But today, I don't really know what I'm really doing today, but the only thing that matters is that I got that shit on, bro. You know what I'm saying, bro? Listen, keep the designer at home, keep your LV, keep your Gucci, bro. Listen, I'm gatekeeping this. You know what I'm saying, bro? Keep your LVs and stuff at home, man. I don't need that. I still look sexier than you niggas. You know what I'm saying? I'm still, yeah. The only thing that I don't really rate, trap star pouch. I feel like all the kids wear it now. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
What's been happening?
Good.
Did you tell your crew about him when they come?
Yeah, man. But yeah, I got something to tell you lot. You lot think I'm someone else, and I'm someone else. There's someone that looks like me on the internet, looks exactly like me. I'm gonna tell you lot that that's not me. He goes by the name of A1, of course. That's not me, guys. That's not me. That's my twin, bro. That's my twin. I got two twins. You know what I'm saying? I got A1, I got Tony. You lot will never meet Tony. You know what I'm saying? But to differentiate the two, all of us, you know what I'm saying? I wear the glasses, so you lot will never see what I really look like. You look and go see A1, of course. That guy is cool as shit, man. That's my nigga for real. But me, this is Detective Top in the building. Tony though, you lot will never see Tony. Look at this shit I got on though, bro. Like, bro, I got it on for real. You know what I'm saying? But I feel like we're gonna go to the jewelry store, I think, and then we're gonna go to the mall, walk around the mall, and then we're gonna go to the Burj Khalifa, to the top for real. So I'm gonna shout you lot when I shout you lot, innit? Make sure you lot roll safe and get your popcorn. Fact. Listen, by the title of this vlog, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. But what I wanted you lot to see was the drip, yo. Listen, I'm doing this differently, you know what I'm saying? I got that shit on. Your fit costs more than me. I'll take it home, though. I'll take it. Nigga. What you lot saying, though? Should I go Ferrari on them? Should I just go Ferrari on the head tops? You know what I'm saying? If you didn't know, my inspiration for this YouTube thing, Quan. If you man know who Quan is, you know. If you don't know what to tell you. But I know you guys from the UK don't know what I'm talking about. But man's into track course, all that. Only because Quan, he's an influencer. He's influenced me to start this. You know what I'm saying? But I want to get into that. So when we go into the shops, I want to see Dodgers. When we get into the shops, I want to see Challengers, Hellcats, track horse. I love the sound of tuned cars and that, and track horse and Hellcats and track horse. So what we're gonna do after what we're doing here, we're gonna look at all the cars and, you know what I'm saying, see what niggas is feeling, because bro, I can't be in Dubai with no car. You know what I'm saying? How am I supposed to be out there taking Uber everywhere, looking drivers and that? Nigga, I wanna drive for real. I wanna drive. 3-piece, man.
Like I said,
You know, when I was here last, we didn't see the pins, so you didn't show me those.
Make sure you go to Queen's Diamonds and they will sort you out nicely. Look, complimentary water,
Complimentary coffees and everything.
juices, Queen's Diamonds.
That's your sister.
That's Ashla's thing, innit? And she's getting it changed for the free since mum dropped the big bag, isn't it, mum? Touch man. Big bag. Blood cleater bomb. Touch man. Touch me. I'm not gonna disclose how much mum has, but she's got about like 5 figures on her and not no 10k. We're talking. So mum, as I'm your sexy first son,
I'll take it. No.
that's where mum's neck is gonna be kept.
Yes. Earring
Yeah, earrings.
with the light.
Yeah, nah.
This is the name. You take care.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. All right.
You take care.
Now we're on to the most important part of this vlog. Car shopping. I'm gonna show you the cars and that. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you the cars. See what we're feeling. I hope you enjoy this one. And this one's about to get. One thing about me, I want no Tesla. Listen, I know you lot see what's going on in here. I know you lot see what's going on. Listen, we are shopping for cars. This is not to keep bait at all. We are car shopping today. Check it out, bro. What we got here, we got some. We got everything you need in here, you know what I'm saying, bro? So, really and truly, I'm just trying to weigh out my options. These are like, this is the sports car section for me. I ain't trying to go too crazy on them because, well, if I go crazy on them, it's going to be a problem. But look, we got sports cars, bro. Or should I just copy Quan, exactly as Quan does, and cut one of these? Let me know, bro. Let me know. You follow me, bro. Follow me. Look at the collie. Look, do I look good in the? Do I look good in the cabby with the black and orange? Tell me I don't look good in the cabby. Breathe what I'm seeing. This is not your regular Urus. This ain't your regular Urus. Oh my days. What even symbol is that? If you don't know about Maybachs and that, Maybach trucks, GLS's 600s, listen. Maybach music. Listen, check that. Oh, wow. You know, I'm feeling, yeah, because it's my first car, I don't want to go too big on them, but I just feel like I'll look so good in them. Don't you think, cameraman? Yeah, nigga, come on, we ain't done here. Oh my. Look at the interior. Yo. Look at the interior on this one. Look at the interior on that one. We got this one, that one, this one, that one, this one, that one. Come on, bro, come on. Look. I know you see. Listen, I look good with that motherfucker, don't I? I look good with that motherfucker, don't I? I've never been a G-Wag type of guy, but listen, big B's, nigga, please, bro. If it ain't big B's on the G-Wags, I ain't in it. Come. Am I in Transformers? Lord of mercy. Listen, you lot. Look at me. I'm too skinny to drive this. This one is not for me, sorry. But this is a beautiful whiz. Come. You lot, them. The yellow interior, get that side. You lot, one thing about me, I love Mercedes. I'll pick Mercedes over my dad. Listen, I need a Mercedes with the extended dash. Get the extended dash, bro. I need a Mercedes with the extended dash. If you don't have extended dash, I'm gonna have to shout my dad. Boy, if you don't... You lot, I want you lot to breathe this. Breathe this. I'm not even gonna touch. I can't touch it, bro. Unless I'm buying, I ain't touching, for real. Breathe the interior on this whip, please. Listen, rest in peace, Her Majesty the Queen Elizabeth, bro. Rest in peace. Look at this. Black on black, bro. Black on black. Listen, I just want to say, I'm going to make a prayer tonight. And this prayer is going to be, pray for all my niggas to be whipping cars like this. Twin chops, nigga. You look. Bring this. Should I steal it? Oh! Should I steal it? I never was that much into Ferrari. You know, I've never been a Ferrari person. But Ferraris are cute. I just feel like it's so low. Like, Look how low that seat is, please. Like, going close so you can see inside. That seat is low. I'll be like, these driving
Oh my
like
God,
these,
bro. Oh, hell no.
These ones here are the collectibles. Like, look at this. You man that can't drive stick, can't drive manual. Shut up, bro. Shut up. I could drive manual. This was the same car James Bond was sliding in, bro. Oh, I've never really been a big fan of an Aston Martin. Come with me. Could you not see me on a bike? A Bugatti bike. This looks like this shit from Tron, fam. Now you lot, let me tell you something. My nigga Michael, he's about 4'11", 4'2", something like that. He's a short ass nigga. He would suit these Porsches. Let me show you, Michael. Michael, this one is for you. Come, Michael. Send me the payment. I'll cop this right next day, bro. Listen, Michael, I see you in this. Michael, let me know, cause bro, I will cop this. Send me the payment. I'll cop it for you, bro. See, have it shipped to you. Look at him, bro. Come on, man. Give it a little spin, fam. This is Ford. This car looks so... You know, I'm lost. I don't know what to buy. I feel like we gotta check more shops to see what other options we got. If you niggas know me for real, you know I need a TLE. But the higher spec. Nigga. You lot, there's a charger right there. But I wasn't really fucking with the charger and that. It's not a Hellcat. I want a Hellcat. See, they got a Durango, but nah. What, Mum, you're feeling the range?
Kind of.
But you got this right here. Oh my lord.
No, honestly, tell me it's not a beauty look. The attention
It's a
to
Mansory as
detail.
well. They got bare Mansories here, you lot.
The attention to detail.
You lot, they got bare Mansories. Look at that. Look at another Mansory. I think I've seen this on Instagram, on Mansory Instagram, fam. You lot, you see the McLaren. I'm trying to be like Quan for real. You lot, I think I found it. This might be the one. AMG GT 63, but the barbarous version. This is what I need. You know, I never like a Urus it's a big car, yeah, but like compared to other SUVs, not that big. But boom, you see the vibes here, bro. Mansory kit, I'm pretty sure. Yep. Mansory, mate. Pre the details. I'm sorry, you lot, if this, look at that. Tinted. Look at this. Look at the interior. I'm trying to show you, bro. Listen, I'm sorry if I'm a nerd at this spot, bro. I just love cars, bro. I just love cars, my nigga. Literally. Are you lot? Man's in the mall now. When we was looking at the cars, I didn't really see nothing I wanted. I don't really want a supercar right now, because I ain't even on my super level yet. You know what I'm saying? I ain't super just yet. I'm still loaded. Again, like I told you lot, when it's time to munch, it's time to munch. And right now, I need a munch. My Subway meal, I will never ever share it. I'm gatekeeping this forever. Chicken bites, Mirinda, you know the vibes. It's been long since I've ate a munch. I haven't eaten nothing all day, so bismillah. Bro. Subway here tastes better than Subway back home. I'm never leaving.
I was told as long as you feel pain, you're still alive. As long as you make mistakes, you're still human. You know, as long as you keep trying, it's still hope, nigga. Free speech. Hey.
Maybach music. You lot, we're on our way to the top of, well, not the top. On our way to the Burj Khalifa. You're on a plane and your ears are popping. That's what's happening right now, guys. Come on. Yo, wow. You know, man's literally on top of the world, fam. Man's on top of the world, bro. Look at this, you know. Man's on top of the world, fam. Yeah, so you lot, I am at the top of the world right now. Not gonna lie. I bet no one is as high as me right now. Yes, sir. Shout out Emar though. That's the guys that own all this stuff. See, Emar there, where else? But there's Emar everywhere, bro. I don't know who Emar is, but shout out to him, fam. But I am the highest about. You know, I've never done a low exposure on a YouTube video, but obviously, hold on, let me see what it looks like. You lot, look at that. Look at that. I'm on top of the world.
Oh my God.
I'm on top of the world. Man, pre the water show from up here. Looks cold. Look at that. That looks cold, bro. Wait. Oh, mom! This is the mall, you know? This whole thing. That mall is massive.
Is that the mall?
Yeah. You know, I got the missile, fam. I got the missile, bro.
Say that out loud.
Where do you want me to get locked, unloaded, what? Right on the mall, fam. Hold on. Shall I blam the mall? Or Emar building? Is that even Emar? Emar building. Skadoosh. Listen, you lot. I'm the biggest bird. Biggest bird, mate. But check it though. My drip is still hard. Mom's wife. I can't tell you the prices, but
No, but you know the place, you know.
my sister out here looking like a rock star, isn't that right?
That's it.
You know what I'm saying? And I'm matching with the drip. Yeah, sir. You lot, look how they constructed it from the ground
Oh,
up.
I have to do this, yeah.
Look, this is who I'm gonna thank. Thousands of people. Love to Abdul Hamid Atim Ali. Love to Nick Harris, that bozo. Greg Sang, Zena Dagger, Mossam O'Day, Bandu Good, my guy. Jaham B. Sherima, my guy. Mohammed Muizain, yup. Kyung Jong Kim, my guy. Isam Galadari, yup. Nada Andrick, Ali Al Su, yup. Ali Ashwish Mahid Ahmed, yup. Mark Dardine, Jumakan Subr, yup. Abdullah Al Walidi, yep. John Walker. Boy, if you don't get John Walker. Wilson Partridge, yep, and Robert Partridge.
Nick Harris must be. Some I think must be English.
Yeah, shout out to these guys. This is the team. This is the dream team that made this all happen. Yes, bro. Do you actually know, bro? Architecture is peak. I wish I studied architecture, but I decided to be a flipping baller, nigga. Fuck. Yes, you lot, bro. And that is it for today. Yeah, nah, I'm saying, I reckon it was a W day for me. We got to go check out cars, but unfortunately couldn't see something I like. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to go supercar them for the first car. That's a bit hectic. That's hectic. Got to see mom's jewelry and that. You know my mom's, yeah. And we also got to go to the top on the Burj Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? To me, that's a W vlog in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. That's what YouTubers say. Oh, make sure you man show some love in it, bro. See the look, yo.
It's 10:30, don't know what to do. Should I go chill my bae, my boot, or should I get cab and roll to the studio? My headphones on in the beef when I spit in the mat, I just spit in the tree. Oh shit, her boyfriend pissed right now cause she ain't really feeling it. She looking at me, she ain't looking at. Like, I just linked up with a man, them come and go shops and cops and Maggie's. M's wanna get in the ding and skid and mat it. Wanna go link with a bad bro, AJ just moving it right, it wanna go copy.